Hector glanced around but could not see Oliver. Glanced means looked quickly. Hummingbird looked around quickly but he could not find Oliver there. He did, however, see a strong vine. Vine means climbing plant, climbers. In your science, you must have read about vines. They are the climbers. So when Hector glanced around, he did not see Oliver, but what did he see? He saw a strong vine hanging against the tree's trunk. Which tree? Oak tree. What kind of oak tree? Big, old. So it was hanging against, a strong vine was hanging against the tree's trunk. In the blink of an eye means very quickly or in a short time, Hector grabbed the end of the vine. Now here the intelligence of Hector worked. What he did? He grabbed the end of the vine. He just grabbed the end of that vine, and as the princess fell, he flew with it around and around the princess. Now the princess fell, and what the little bird did? He flew with it around and around the princess. With it, what does it refer to here? It refers to the vine. Hummingbird flew with the vine and he took the rounds of the princess with the vine in his beak, finally knotting the vine under itself. Knotting means tying knots, the vine under itself. Only a hummingbird could have flown so fast. It is a fact, the speed of hummingbird is quite fast because it is very small. So it is said here that only a hummingbird could have flown so fast. Otherwise, the little princess would have fallen down, would have got hurt. But thank God, the hummingbird was able to save the little girl, to save the princess. Everybody gasped as the princess kept falling, and then she was suddenly pulled up short. Now everybody was taking deep breath in surprise, and the princess was actually suddenly she was pulled up short, because then she was tangled with that vine. So she was able to stay at one place, and because she was there with the vine, so she was little bit pulled up. The vine held. So this is really a good thing here, that the vine was actually able to hold the princess. The princess dangled. Dangled means hung or swung freely. The princess dangled safely in the air. Now the princess was safe. Earlier the princess was not safe. She could fall any time and she could have got hurt, but now the princess was still dangling in the air but safely. 3 of the king's men scrambled up. Scrambled up means climbed up quickly but with little difficulty. So 3 king's men scrambled up the tree and soon had her safely on the ground again. Thank God. Now 3 men of king, they climbed up the tree and they brought the princess safely on the ground, and the princess was unhurt. She did not get any hurt. The forest was filled with the cry. Which kind of cry? The cry of happiness. Hurrah for the hummingbird. Hector moved into the castle at the king's insistence. Insistence means act of stating or demanding something forcefully. The king was insisting again and again. He wanted Hector to move to his castle. So Hector went into the castle. The royal gardeners planted special flower gardens full of his favorite blooms. Here his refers to Hector. Blooms here means flowers which are grown for beauty. So the royal gardeners planted special flower gardens and those gardens were full of the favorite flowers of Hector. He was great friends with the princess. Now Hector and the princess were good friends and they often played together in the forest, although she was not allowed to climb any more trees. So they both played together in the forest. Who both? Hector and the princess. But now princess was not allowed to climb up the trees. The king gave a huge feast. Feast means party. And all the guests stood and toasted Hector. Toasted means wished him happiness and success. So the king now gave a huge party because his daughter was saved and all the guests came there and they toasted Hector. That means they wished happiness and success to Hector, who hummed with happiness. So Hector also was happy and Hector hummed with happiness. The king declared, "From now on you shall be known as Hector Hummingbird, the hero." So at last the king declared, what did the king declare? That from now on who is you here? Hector Hummingbird. That the Hector Hummingbird shall be known as Hector Hummingbird the hero. So Hector Hummingbird got the title of the hero at the end. So I hope you all have understood this story and enjoyed this. The author of this story is Graham King. Thank you.